This video will demonstrate the steps that law firm organization administrators will follow to approve new user requests, remove existing users from the organization, change a user's role, change who has organization admin access, and change the join request code. Select Manage Users from the Organization Profile button in the top left. The Manage Users list will display. Any new requests to join will display above the Manage Users list. Based on the user details associated with the requests, i.e. the name and email address, the organization administrator can decide whether to click Reject or Accept. The Manage Users list will update instantly to reflect the newly approved requests, who will have access to the OSP immediately. To remove a user, and in turn, their access to the OSP, click the drop-down arrow beside the user's name to be removed, and select Remove User. A dialog box will display, requesting an alternative staff member be chosen to transfer any existing applications to. Select an appropriate name from the list, and click Remove User. To change a user's role, perhaps from paralegal to legal practitioner or vice versa, click the Edit button beside the user's name. Then select the appropriate role from the drop-down list. To assign or remove organization administrator access, select the Yes or No radio button respectively. Then, click the Update User Details button. To view or change the organization join request code, click the Organization Profile button and select Organization Details. Click the Show Join Request Code button. The request code will become visible. From here, the code can be copied and shared, or changed if it's become compromised. Then click the Update Join Request Code button. To amend general organization contact details, such as email and phone, make the necessary changes, then click the Update Details button. The updated pop-up will confirm that the changes have been successfully recorded.